The 156-meter high Ligñon Hill has always been one of the Legazpi's most famous landmarks. It has become one of the city's prime destinations for sightseers, adventurers, and fitness buffs. The new Ligñon Hill Natural Park promises to be the city's best destination, offering sights and activities for all types of visitors. For sightseers, a panoramic 360-degree view of Legazpi City, Daraga, Albay Gulf, and the Mayon Volcano awaits at the view deck. The best time to ascend the hill is at early morning just before sunrise, while the air is cool. Visitors have the opportunity to witness the morning sun rise up from the Albay Gulf and cast its golden rays on the city below. Early morning is also the best time to view Mayon, since it is usually in all its naked glory at this time of day. A landscape promenade, as well as restaurants and shops, also cater to guests. Aside from the spectacular sights, Ligñon Hill Natural Park also offers fun-filled and thrilling activities.